My name is Stephen Barstow, and we're sat here in my garden in Lensvik, where I've lived since 1984, and I'll be leading a workshop at the Permalin Farm at the festival this summer, and I'll be showing you how we can actually produce an abundance of food using perennials rather than annuals. And been around the garden and collected, just used a few minutes to collect a little diversity of greens which are available at the moment. In fact, in my garden at the moment we really are at the kind of maximum of the maximum harvest.